Well, what a right royal pain in the arse that was. Got to BMW to pick my bike up. Got here at about 11:15, I think. 11:15, and it's now just gone 12:30 and I'm just leaving. The bike's been ready, but there's a feature on the TFT screen of telephone and media, and you can pair your intercom to the bike. And effectively I've been trying to work out why. Anyway, after lots of YouTube videos, I came to the conclusion that I think so you can control your music and your telephone calls through the TFT screen, as well as on the intercom itself. But there's a certain procedure, certain way of setting everything, and I managed to put my Cardo on the intercom to Bluetooth mode, but somehow I just couldn't get it back into DMC. So I believe what you've got to do is connect the intercom to the bike. You get that little symbol down there, I don't know if you can see it, like a helmet above the telephone receiver symbol. So that's the intercom connected to the bike, and then you connect the intercom to your phone, and then the phone to the bike. Apparently there's big issues if you try and do it any other way than that. I did have my phone connected to the bike anyway, and that connects every time. So you stop the bike, you get off, you do what you're doing, come back to it, turn the bike on, and it connects straight away. Now I believe, now that I've set the pairing up with the intercom to the bike, that will do the same. Everything should just connect automatically now, so if that's the case. But I've done it. I don't think I could tell you how I've done it, but I've done it. So just have a little ride. We'll have a look at this new road up here. The new road linking Preston Dock area to the waterway, to the M55. Here we go, this new junction. We'll try it, we'll do a right here. Right, perfect timing. Get this through a new road. Yeah, so a week after, or nearly a week after we got back from Scotland, the bike performed outstandingly. Absolutely superb. Just over 1,000 miles in 4 days. Had been doing panniers on it, the journey up and the journey back. Didn't even know there was extra weight on it. Got to say, the roads in Scotland were phenomenal. The quality of the roads, it was just like riding on this new one. So have a ride up here and jump up motorway, just go home. We're near Lightfoot Lane by the look of it. say it again. Gotta do love this bike. Nearly home, stick to 30 down here. The police have a habit of going in that little road there where that car is. Either that one or this one here, just after the bridge. Well, I don't think I'll be going back out this afternoon, apart from I'll get the bike back out and I'll give it the clean that BMW was supposed to give it. Right, back in the village. Giant Richard. So, see you on the next ride.